A few weeks ago, a driver walked into my garage with a Japanese car for routine engine maintenance. Nothing unusual at first, but when I checked his AC, it was blowing absolutely ice-cold air. I'm talking about the kind of cooling you expect from a brand new car, not something that's been on the road for years. Naturally, that caught my attention. So I asked him a simple question. "Did you recently service your AC system?" He smiled and said, "No, I have not touched it in years." That's when things got interesting. Instead of talking about repairs, he started explaining how he uses his AC. Simple habits, small adjustments, and a few techniques he learned from Japanese drivers. No expensive parts, no special tools, just smart usage. Out of curiosity, I tested everything myself. Same car, same system. But when I followed his exact method step by step, the cooling performance improved instantly. And that's when it hit me. Most drivers are not dealing with weak AC systems. They are dealing with wrong habits. So, in this video, I'm going to share those exact Japanese-style hacks that will turn your car's average AC into an ice-cold machine. Let's dive in. Hack number 1. The window purge technique. When a car sits under the sun, studies show that nearly 70% of the heat buildup comes from trapped air and heat absorption by interior materials like seats and dashboards. Japanese taxi drivers, who operate vehicles for 10 to 12 hours daily, rely on a technique called the air purge to eliminate this heat instantly. By opening one window and repeatedly swinging the opposite door, they create a pressure differential that forces hot air out rapidly. This simple action can reduce cabin temperature by 5 to 10 degrees Celsius within seconds. The reason this works so well is because hot air expands and becomes less dense, making it easier to push out when airflow is forced. Without this step, your AC spends the first several minutes just neutralizing heat instead of cooling you. That's why many drivers complain their AC takes too long, because they skipped this zero-cost, high-impact step. In real-world tests, this technique can reduce initial cooling time by up to 30 to 40%, making it one of the most effective hacks available. Hack number 2. Use recirculation mode the right way. One of the most common mistakes is hitting the recirculate button too early. Japanese driving instructors emphasize a specific fresh to closed sequence that accounts for the thermal mass of your HVAC ducting. When you first start the car, the air inside the plastic vents is often hotter than the air outside. By driving for the first 1,000 yards with your windows down and the AC set to fresh air mode, you are using the vehicle's movement to flush the heated air out of the system's veins. If you start on recirculate, you are forcing the evaporator to work double time to cool air that is already at peak temperature. Statistical data suggests that using the fresh air flush for just 2 minutes can improve the cooling rate by 22% compared to immediate recirculation. Once the air from the vents feels consistently cool to the touch, only then should you seal the cabin and engage recirculation to maintain that temperature. Hack number 3. Condenser heat exchange optimization. To get truly ice-cold air, we have to look at the lungs of your car's cooling system, the condenser. Located right in front of your radiator, the condenser's job is to shed the heat that the refrigerant pulled from your cabin. Over time, this mesh becomes a graveyard for insects and road salt, creating an insulating layer that traps heat. In Japan, it is a standard DIY maintenance task to perform a hydro flush on the condenser fins. By gently rinsing this area with water, you remove the microscopic debris that hinders heat transfer. Improving the airflow through the condenser can lower the high side pressure of your AC system by 10 to 15 psi, which translates directly to a lower vent temperature. A clean condenser allows the refrigerant to transition from a gas to a liquid more efficiently, ensuring that when it reaches your evaporator, it is at its maximum cooling potential. Hack number 4. the $2 cabin filter cleaning trick. If your AC sounds like a jet engine but feels like a soft whisper, you are likely suffering from high static pressure caused by a neglected cabin air filter. According to automotive maintenance studies, a clogged cabin air filter can reduce airflow by up to 40 to 50%, which directly impacts how cold your AC feels. In Japan, drivers treat cabin filter cleaning as a routine maintenance task rather than waiting for replacement intervals. The reason is simple. Reduced airflow means less cold air reaching you, even if the AC system itself is functioning perfectly. Dust, pollen, and pollution particles accumulate quickly, especially in urban environments, restricting air passage. By removing the filter and cleaning it with compressed air or a soft brush, you can instantly restore airflow efficiency. Japanese automotive standards also suggest replacing this filter every 10,000 miles. Yet many drivers go years without a change. By swapping in a high-flow, activated carbon filter, you not only eliminate old car odors, but also maximize the cubic feet per minute of air hitting your face. In professional tests, simply replacing a dirty filter can drop perceived cabin temperatures by 5 degrees Fahrenheit purely through increased air velocity and better distribution. Hack number 5. Start your car with max fan speed. Most drivers turn their AC to the lowest temperature and lowest fan speed, thinking it will cool better. But this is completely wrong. In Japan, drivers do the opposite. They start with maximum fan speed and medium temperature. This pushes hot air out of the system quickly and allows cold air to circulate faster. Studies in automotive HVAC systems show that increasing airflow can improve perceived cooling by up to 25%, even without lowering temperature further. This is because moving air accelerates heat exchange and distributes cold air evenly throughout the cabin. Once the temperature stabilizes, reducing the fan speed helps maintain comfort without overworking the system. Starting with low airflow traps hot air in pockets, making cooling slower and uneven. This method ensures that cold air reaches every corner of the cabin quickly, creating a faster and more effective cooling experience. Hack number 6. The $1 cooling booster. This is a classic Japanese summer hack, especially used in older cars. Your AC system relies heavily on the condenser to release heat, and when it overheats, especially in traffic, cooling performance drops significantly. Japanese drivers sometimes use a simple but effective trick, lightly spraying water on the condenser through the front grille. This can improve heat dissipation efficiency by 15 to 20% instantly, especially in high-temperature conditions. The concept is based on evaporative cooling, where water absorbs heat as it evaporates, lowering the temperature of the condenser surface. This allows the refrigerant to cool more effectively, resulting in colder air inside the cabin. While modern cars are designed to handle heat, extreme conditions can still reduce efficiency, particularly useful during long traffic jams or heat waves. Hack number 7. Park smartly. In Japan's crowded cities, parking is an art, and smart drivers always think about the sun. Instead of just looking for shade, they position their car in a way that minimizes direct sunlight entering through the windshield, which is the biggest source of heat buildup. Research shows that your car's dashboard area can reach temperatures of 70 to 80 degrees Celsius under direct sunlight, acting like a heat radiator inside your car. Even after turning on the AC, this stored heat continues to release into the cabin, slowing down cooling. A basic reflective shade, costing less than $5, can reduce interior temperatures by 10 to 15 degrees Celsius. The science behind this lies in reducing solar radiation absorption, which is the primary source of heat gain in parked vehicles. By preventing heat buildup in the first place, you reduce the burden on your AC system. This means faster cooling, less fuel consumption, and reduced strain on components like the compressor. It's a passive solution, but one of the most effective long-term strategies for maintaining ice-cold air. Hack number 8. Turn off your AC before engine shutdown. Here is a long-term Japanese habit that most drivers ignore: turning off the AC a minute before shutting off the engine. This prevents moisture buildup inside the evaporator, which can lead to mold, bad smell, and reduced cooling efficiency over time. Japanese drivers avoid this by turning off the AC compressor 1 to 2 minutes before shutting off the engine while keeping the fan running. This allows air to pass through the system and dry out internal components. Studies show that moisture accumulation can reduce cooling efficiency by up to 10 to 15% over time, making this simple habit incredibly valuable. It also improves air quality and prevents costly maintenance issues. This hack doesn't provide instant results, but it ensures your AC remains consistently powerful and efficient in the long run. Hack number 9. Clean your AC vents. Your AC vents may look clean from the outside, but inside they can accumulate dust, bacteria, and debris that restrict airflow and reduce cooling efficiency. According to automotive airflow studies, even partial vent blockage can decrease effective airflow by 15 to 25%. That can make your AC feel weaker than it actually is. In Japan, drivers often use small cleaning brushes or compressed air to clean vents regularly, especially during seasonal transitions. This not only improves airflow, but also enhances air quality by removing allergens and pollutants. Dirty vents can also disrupt the direction of airflow, causing uneven cooling inside the cabin. Over time, buildup inside the ducts can create resistance, forcing the blower motor to work harder while delivering less air. A simple cleaning process that costs almost nothing can restore proper airflow dynamics and make the AC feel significantly stronger. It's a quick fix, but one that most drivers completely overlook until performance drops noticeably. Hack number 10. The convection ceiling vent orientation. Most drivers instinctively point the AC vents directly at their face or chest for immediate relief. But in the world of Japanese fluid dynamics, this is considered inefficient for long-term cabin cooling. Because cold air is significantly denser than warm air, by pointing all your vents upward toward the ceiling, you create a convection curtain that forces the coldest air to travel across the top of the cabin before it descends. This method utilizes the natural weight of the molecules to displace the heat trapped near the headliner, which can reach temperatures exceeding 150 degrees Fahrenheit on a sunny day, 15% faster than pointing vents directly at passengers. This ensures that the entire volume of air is being treated, rather than just creating a small, cool pocket in front of the driver, while the rest of the car remains a heat trap. Hack number 11. Low-pressure line thermal insulation. In the engine bays of compact Japanese cars, space is at a premium, which often means the AC lines are positioned dangerously close to the scorching exhaust manifold or engine block. The low-pressure line, identifiable as the thicker, colder metal pipe, carries the chilled refrigerant back to the compressor, and it often suffers from heat soak before it can even reach the cabin. A professional Japanese DIY hack involves wrapping this specific line in high-heat reflective foam insulation, or thermal sleeves used in racing. By preventing the engine bay's 200 degrees Fahrenheit plus ambient heat from warming the refrigerant, performance data suggests that insulating the low-pressure line can drop the air temperature at the vent by an additional 3 degrees Fahrenheit to 5 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the difference between cool air and ice-cold air during a heat wave. It is a one-time, low-cost modification that provides a permanent boost to the system's thermal exchange rate. That's all for this video. These were the powerful Japanese hacks that can turn your car's AC into an ice-cold machine without spending more than $5. The truth is, most AC systems don't fail. They are just used incorrectly. Start applying these techniques today, and you'll feel the difference immediately. And if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel because I bring you real-world car secrets that mechanics don't tell you.